This is gonna blow your mind. There's an easy way to handle baby hiccups and wind. Wish I'd known this sooner. First, don't stress. Hiccups and trapped wind are super common in babies. To help your little one burp, try holding them upright. Against your chest, supporting their head gently. Pat their back in slow, circular motions. Rub their back in slow, circular motions. Sometimes a gentle bounce while you walk helps too. For hiccups, just relax. They usually go away on their own, but if they're bothering your baby, feeding a little can reset breathing. Avoid giving water to newborns, though. Remember, patience works wonders. Gentle touch works wonders. If hiccups or wind seem painful or won't stop, check with your doctor.